This is a demonstration on how to replace the RAM in a Toshiba L45 laptop. I'm going to be upgrading from 1 gig of RAM to 2 gigs of RAM. First thing you need to do is make sure that you've unplugged your power supply. And once you've done that, go ahead and turn the machine over carefully. Okay, go ahead and remove the battery pack. Take that off to the side here. You don't want to have any current going through the machine when you're doing this, just for safety purposes. Okay, now we're going to remove these 5 screws here. That's covering the RAM. Okay, make sure you get a nice small screwdriver. Remove the cover. It's at the side. Inside here you can see this here is the RAM. So we're going to be replacing. It's got dual RAM chips, 512 a piece. We're going to replace both of them. Go ahead and squeeze the clips off to the side, and that'll just stick right back up. So that pops right back up. Okay. And pull these out one at a time. Try not to touch any more than you have to, especially the ends. And you never know, you may want to put them back in. Go ahead and remove the clips on the side. The next one. Again, pops back up. Just slide that out. Set that to the side. And grab your new memory. We're going from 512 per card to approximately 1 gig per card. It's going to double it from 1 gig to 2 gigs of RAM. Go ahead and insert. Make sure that you line up the notches. It'll only go in one way. Okay, gently push it in there until it stops. Same thing, push down until you hear it click. Grab the next one. Same thing. Make sure this notch lines up with the notch inside here. See if I can get a little closer. There you go. Slide that in there. Again. Notice it's at a 45. It's a little springy. That's what it's supposed to do. Okay. You got it in as far as it'll go. Gently push down until you hear it click again. And that's it. Take the cover. And that's it. Computer, once your computer restarts, it should start right up. You shouldn't have to do anything. You can view your Windows score, your base score. It may change, it may not. Depending on what your lowest base score is. But that concludes our demonstration of RAM on a Toshiba L45 satellite laptop.